Hey guys, hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we are again on our Sunday Emerage Skin Aerify Kit live. I'm really excited to have all you guys. I'm sorry there was a little delay. Instagram has changed how it presents its IGTV, so we will not be able to do a long one today, only about 10 minutes. So we're gonna zoom through this quickly. Thank you guys so much for following and supporting. Love all you guys. Hi guys. So we're gonna talk about Emerage Skin Aerify Kit, and you guys know that I designed this kit. It has an amazing complexion revival peeling kit instruction sheet inside, and it talks about both phases of this kit. And this kit has in it an amazing peel called the Aerify Illuminating Mask. And this has in it TCA, Lactic Acid, Salicylic Acid, and Retinol. It helps brighten the skin with Kojic Acid, Arbutin, vitamin C, and niacinamide to decrease redness. It's an amazing peel that you can do at home once a month as a facial. You can do between your laser treatments. You can do before or after your lasers or treatments to get a better improvement in your skin quality. It is unbelievable how amazing this kit works. Hi, Julian. There's a lot of great products in here, and it's one of those treatments that you can do to really just boost your skincare regimen. It has our foaming polish in it that has jojoba beads and brightening agents, Hyla A and High Spot. These are our two main products in the kit. You guys could see here, Hyla A and High Spot. Hyla A having our retinol, hyaluronic acid, the same hyaluronic acid that's in our Hyla B. You could see Hyla B in my Emerage skin line. You guys know there is a flash sale on this weekend. I think it's Flash 20 is the code. So anyone that wants any of these products or any of the other products from emeragecosmetics.com, let me pin that in. emeragecosmetics.com. Let me pin that. Oh, I don't know if it just happened there. Hold on, let me try again. emeragecosmetics.com. There is a flash sale going on right now. You could see the Hyla B is my intense hydrating hyaluronic acid, multiple mixed hyaluronic acids in here, along with tamarind seed and vitamin B to decrease redness. That's in our Hyla A, the retinol based product. And then High Spot is our Brighten Glow Cream, you guys. This has in it green tea, it has in it mulberry, vitamin C, and peptides, which also are in our Emerage Skin Refit Face and Refit Eye. This is my favorite product. You guys can see I'm keeping my skin really smooth using both the Refit Eye and the Refit Face. And it's also in the High Spot. So you're gonna get anti-aging, brightening, and glowing along with everything in here. The foaming polish, and we're gonna bring on Kiki in a minute, is what you start with and use twice a day. This has jojoba beads, it has lightening agents like licorice root in there, and a marine extract to help tighten and brighten the skin. So most cleansers cause you to get super dry, but this cleanser really helps to moisturize. Now I like to add my enzyme polish. If you have acne or if you have any blemishes, you could do this as well as a double cleanse and really get a nice improvement. And then lastly, we have our Fusion Shield sunscreen, which is our tinted SPF. Let's get Kiki on. I don't see if she's asking to join. Let me tell our team. Hold on one second. So I'm waiting for Kiki to join right now. She is going to apply the mask. She's also going to show you guys over the next week what it does to the skin, how it brightens the skin. There she is. Look at those beautiful lips, Lucy and Co. Hey.
Hi, sorry about
What's
that.
going on? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh my God, your skin is so glowing right now.
I use the foaming cleanser.
What do you think about it? Tell me. I was
I
just telling everybody about the foaming polish. So just so you know, we developed this so it was very hydrating. It has in it jojoba beads that help hydrate the skin, licorice root to brighten it. It also has a marine extract that decreases redness and helps to tighten the skin. What do you think?
I really like it. I can feel it tight already.
Great.
I was saying
Well,
on my story, I love the foaming cleanser because it's kind of like an oil, like what you said, the jojoba oil.
exactly.
Like it actually gets really clean. So that's the tightening. It's just amazing. I like it.
Exactly. And that's the point. I mean, most cleansers, you know, are very drying. They're used to kind of exfoliate the surface of the skin, but they don't really do enough for the skin. We wanted to create one where it really gave you some hydration. In my line, Emerald Skin, we also have an enzyme polish, which is made of mixed acids and papaya. I have patients that are very oily or have acne use this as well as a double cleanse. It's not in the Aerify kit, but they can get it at emeraldcosmetics.com. I want you to tell me, what are you looking for in your skin and what do you want in this new routine?
Well, I have like a texture issue and a color issue. So I think that like all of my little spots of color will really get sort of targeted by the peel. And then I'm excited that there's a retinol in, inside the kit because that will help with the texture.
And that's what I was going to talk about. So retinol, you guys know, is super important for collagen production, exfoliating the skin, but it can be very irritating. I actually use a really strong retinol called Cosmelan 2 and one by another company called Rev Skin 1.0. It's a strong retinol. This is a lighter retinol, but to make it non-irritating, we put licorice root for brightening and hyaluronic acid for plumping of the skin. We actually have in our Emerald Skin line a very strong, potent, this is your skin plumper hydrator, Hyla B, which is a vitamin B hyaluronic acid combo. That's in the Hyla A. So you actually get hydration while you're using retinol. And you know it's wrinkle preventative. It helps decrease pore size. It makes the complexion more improved. The other thing that's in there is the high spot. This is what you're going to do twice a day. Okay. This is your brightener. This is green tea, mulberry, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It even has anti-aging peptides in it and arbutin for brightening of the skin. The same peptides are in Emerald Skin Refit Eye. So definitely use the high spot all the way up here to help the crow's feet because the peptides are in there. And the growth factors and peptides that are in the Refit Face will also tighten the skin. Thank you, Chris. They're saying they're so excited. They got their Hyla B and AOX C today. AOX C actually is our vitamin C, our 20%. Really strong, but velvety. And you know vitamin C is, they usually smell and they have color. This one's very clear because we made a very special extract of vitamin C here and also doesn't have much of a smell. So you're really getting, a big improvement in this kit. And the whole point is to boost your skincare routine. What are you normally doing? Like, what is your day-to-day?
I think I do like a double wash. I start with an oil, then I do a gel, and then if I'm good, I'll do the toner and then a serum. But sometimes it just ends up being like dry and then some benzoyl peroxide.
Well, that's good. I mean, look, benzoyl peroxide is really drying. I actually put in the kit something called Soothe. It's a vitamin C moisturizer. You can use it if you get really dry. I tend to like hyaluronic acid better as a moisturizer. This to me is when you're peeling. If you need it, you can even use it on your lips for chapped lips.
Oh, perfect.
So use this if needed. But in general, what I really want you to do is twice a day the high spot, once a day the vitamin A, Hyla A. And if you have a hyaluronic acid, you can use that twice a day. If you have a vitamin C, you could add it in the morning. The point is that this gives you a good regimen, but you can still add in. It wasn't made to just be used alone. You don't have to. What I would love for you to do is show them the sunscreen. Because this is an invisible tint. I always just open it up, show them on your hand. Because we made this to be effective for everybody, every skin color, every skin type. They're asking about melasma. Yeah, perfect. So show them on here and let me know what you think. You guys, this will help melasma a little bit, but it's more of a maintenance peel. This is just for light improvement in your skin quality. If you want something for melasma, go to emeraldcosmetics.com, do a free skincare consultation. You can go to emeraldcosmetics.com. Right up at the top, it says virtual consult. Go there, click free consult, and they'll talk to you about enlightenment Cosmelan. Now, what do you think? Can you see
I
the tint?
Yeah, I can, which is great because after a peel, like you don't want to be wearing makeup, and so I'm excited to use this because it just
Yeah, and it's not really, I mean, it's pretty invisible,
yeah.
but it covers you. It gives you a little bit of that coverage, especially like you can see here, it can cover the dark circles. There's no parabens and fragrances. It's non-comedogenic, and it's free of chemical filters, especially in the UV. So why don't we put on the peel? Because that's what everyone wants to see.
Yeah.
The point of it is it's going to be on there for 8 to 10 hours. So
Right.
typically people go to bed with it on
Yeah.
and they leave it on overnight. They wear it like what you have, a nice headband. They do a towel or a sheet in behind them. And the next day they wake up and it's minimal redness. So I want you to open the whole thing, the Aerify Illuminating Mask. So they're saying my Aerify products last 21 days, just ran out today. Post-regimen arrive. Hyla-B, Aox, Refit Eye Face, Restore C Foaming Polish, and they're addicted. Thank you, Chris. I'm so excited. One thing I would tell you, Chris, is add Anti-Age MD Serum and Accelerator twice a day. Also add the Restore C 10X lotion to your face and neck. You will go crazy. And don't forget the Lucy & Co. Look at my lips and the Restore C Lip Magic. So apply the peel. There's a lot that's in here. Now, this has a little bit of TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and retinol. That's going to be your exfoliation. That's the overnight sort of peel. And you don't have to go crazy with actually rubbing it. Although I tell you, it's good to get, get it even, but put it all on. Don't be shy. It's okay to get on there and then spread. And then the brightening component of this is vitamin C, Arbutin, Kojic Acid, niacinamide, which helps as a vitamin B that helps redness, and it also brightens the skin. So you're going to get calming at the same time you're getting exfoliation. That's not typical for most peels.
Yeah.
Most peels burn the surface, and then just develop a lot of redness there. And you guys know there's a flash sale right now at emeragecosmetics.com for Flash 20 to get 20% off. My team surprised everybody and just decided to do it this weekend. So get whatever you can during that time. There's also, if you spend $500, you get a free Revitalash eyelash conditioning and growth serum, which helps your lattice. So honestly, look at my eyelashes. You can get lattice, which is phenomenal. I use it on my brows and lashes. How does it feel?
It feels good. I don't it feels like we're like nice and thick, and I don't feel any burning it. I feel a little bit on my fingers actually, probably because of all the hand washing from, the pandemic, but it feels like nice and smooth and like the right type of weight that you would want to sleep in.
Yeah, and it's going to be more of a mask, so you don't want it to be too greasy or heavy. This doesn't have any oil bases. This is strictly our ingredients. This is your medical grade products here. And yeah, this was designed, you guys. Chris says he loves you. Raul wants to know how often you can do this. I've been doing it twice a month. You can literally do it. My opinion, I designed it originally to be monthly so that you could get a nice peel in between your facials and your lasers. Don't be shy. You can go all the way up to the eye. I tell people, I know, just don't get it in your eye. I tell people that you can even do it as an eye peel. You could buy it independently and just literally do it around your eye once a week. I tell people to get multiple kits if they want to do their neck, chest, or hands. And then again, combine your other products. Like I add my Aox C from Emer Skin in the morning. I use my Refit Face twice a day with the eye serum. I use Refit Eye at night. I do the Restore C Eye every day. I do my nude skin. You guys can check out my new collab skincare product, nudeskin.com. It's also at ulta.com. The glycolic citrus acid toner, as well as the lemon detox and glow micro peel. I do that at home every day. I love it. Just brightens the skin. And use a lot though on your face too. Don't get too crazy on the neck. I know, but I want you to get the results. You can spread a little bit and get the neck too. It's fine. I really want you to get a really good result. And yeah, use a little, go over the lip, do the nose, and then you could spread down a little bit. So there's more than you think in this tube. We tested this out for many weeks. So again, there's no restriction on how often you need to use it. Will is saying that his friend uses this for down under and loves it. There is a trend right now for people doing this on the elbows, the knees, vaginal lightening, anal lightening. I have penile lightening. We're doing everything. Neck. They're doing armpits. They're just doing everything. So yeah, that's perfect. So spread it and spread it on the neck too. I'm loving how you got a lot of product there to be able to really work it. So that's basically it, you guys. This is Aerify. Again, I want you guys to know, you can see inside, it says the Complexion Revival Peeling Kit. It says clarifying, brightening, and firming. I made this kit with different phases. Phase 1 being the mask, phase 2 being the products that you use. And it says here nighttime or daytime, which products. But the biggest thing was I really want people just to have great skin and feel good about themselves. And the card here even says the courage to redefine. And on the back, it says, beauty is often a judgment placed upon us by others, but courage is a naturally occurring element already inside of you. And we believe how you feel about yourself is what matters. And that's the thing, is this will give you that courage, whether you want to get that new job, feel good about yourself, be that mom that's, you know, that power mom looking amazing when she takes her kids to school, whatever it is. You have headshots, you just want to look good for yourself. It doesn't matter. That's the point of this kit, and it should boost everything you're doing naturally. And just like I said, inside you get a sort of a taste of a lot of ingredients that are in my Emerage Skin line. But yes, you can use this in other areas. They're saying sensitive regions. Definitely can do that. And I just hope to get, like, we could really see your skin boost. I just want to see the quality of your skin enhance, and tell everybody what you're looking to achieve.
Yeah, I have just, like, you know, been inside too much during quarantine and like not eating the best. So I'm really just excited to see my skin looking kind of like it did before, and better with the coloring, because I was getting sort of like just different color
Uneven tone, yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll improve the tone, and you're going to see that brightening. Hey, Adele, so good to see you. Missed you. And everyone's just really excited. So what I would love is later tonight, do a video, talk about what you're looking for, show everybody what it looks like, send that to our team, do some posts, and then every couple days, you know, keep us updated. By day 5 to 8, you're really going to start to see a lot of brightening. By days 10 to 14, we're going to see a substantial difference, and then we just get you on that full plan. I'm super excited about it. They're saying they did a consult with Ashley. They were really happy. And again, you guys, flash 20, get those products, do the free virtual consultation anytime, and then keep watching for Kiki, because we're going to be so excited to see her get that bright, beautiful skin in the next few weeks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye. You guys, that was so great. It was a great Aerify. Remember, I created this kit because I wanted something at home that you guys could do to really give you a great outcome, boost your skin, make you feel good about yourself. Go to emeragecosmetics.com, get the Aerify kit, add the products in there, do a free virtual consult, and then for tonight, flash 20 is your code. Take care.